Welcome back. The Jamaica Olympic Association will be pumping $14.5 million in the preparation phase of track and field athletes for this year's Summer Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, will receive $7 million towards hosting 4 development meets and the other $7.5 geared towards offsetting costs for the National Junior and Senior Championships scheduled for June. Now, President of the J3As, Garth Gale, was elated with the landmark deal.
A pandemic year, and since last year, March, many of our athletes have not been able to earn from the sport that they love. And this initiative has brought about an opportunity for us to showcase our athletes and give them an opportunity to earn. This is the first such initiative by a federation as being supported by the Olympic body. And so we are very happy and elated about that.
Meanwhile, JOA President Christopher Samuda says this is just the start of improving its partnership with the J3As and says more things are in store.
Opportunities that will be created by this partnership. And it is not necessarily limited to this year. We are going to be building the partnerships beyond this year because the interest of the athlete is central to the policy of the Jamaica Olympic Association and also the J3As. We exist because the athletes exist. Our primary assets are the athletes, and therefore we must do all within our power, all within our control to ensure that we condition them, that we give them the support, and that we give them an equal opportunity to transcend and to transition to the international stage.